for the F-35. Shall we do it? I think we shall do it. Very cross now, but it's not much wind, so. The sun's going down, so.
Off. Gyro initialized. Throttle cut.
Super burnage.
Normal mode. Timer cleared. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Again, this is a 30C pack. This is a 6S 30C 5000.
Time remaining 1 minute.
With the 5000 and a 30C rating, that means it's got a 150 amp continuous rating. However, this plane only pulls right around 70 to 75 amps. So that 30C is very happy with this pack. I mean with this motor combo. And since it's a 5000, I got lots of flight time, either a whole bunch of full throttle, or I can get about 4 to 5 minutes of flying and still come down with 3.7 or more per cell. Look at the vertical, even with the 30C, look at it, it's still going.
10,
Just
9,
now fell
8,
off
7,
at the
6,
the end of 3
5,
minutes.
4, 3,
I got 5 vertical rolls before it
1.
started falling off.
Time expired.
And since I've been a little hard on it, I'm going to get the gear down.
Gear down.
See that they're down. Do my landing approach. Gotta go over the sun. Don't have glasses either because the sun's a little dimmer now since it's down by the horizon. But let's set up for landing. Like to make sure I'm over the runway, then get set up into high alpha. There we go. Not quite as clean. Don't do that. Not quite as clean as I wanted to, but Still getting used to the plane, and since I oiled the wheels, it's going to roll further than I want. Yeah, it's rolling a lot further now. I got to get a little bit more used to this. I didn't want to do too much of a high alpha with the crosswind like this. Got to do a little bit more gyro tuning and maybe tune the elevator a little better, because put some more expo in there.
1 minute over.
But it worked. Good stuff.